Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMR VGP. Neuland Lab has given more than 10x return in last 2 years only. So today we are going to discuss about this company and we will try to understand that the company can give again 10x return in future in 2 years or it will go in downtrend. For that, we will discuss about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sector analysis, everything. And one more thing, after watching this video, you will get to know how to analyze a company. When you are going to buy a share of any company, you need to understand this thing before buying any company. I'm sharing my presentation file and TradingView website. This is the chart of Neuland Lab, and you can see at present it is in uptrend direction. And when you put a horizontal line here, and from this place you can calculate from July 2013 to this place. It has given approximately 600% return. It means 6x from 2013 to 2017. Share price 170 or approx 200 to 1400. It means 7x return it has given in only 4 years. After then, it came in downtrend. And again, you can see from 2020 April to 2021 May, it has given from 400 to 2400. It means approximately 8x return from year to year. And now you can see from this place from July 2022, the share price was approx 1200. Now share price is 14,000. It has given more than 10x return in last 2 years only. This is a disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor and I am creating this video for educational purpose only. This share is not my recommendation. Neuland Lab, this is a small cap company and sector is healthcare sector and the industry is pharmaceuticals and drugs. In this sector, healthcare sector, there are three industries. One is medical equipments, supplies and accessories. In this industry, there are 15 companies. Second, hospital and healthcare services, 57 companies. Actually, I have created one video that is Narayana, I think. That company is from this industry. And one also video I've created from this industry, that is Polymedicure. Now I'm creating the video and that company is from pharmaceuticals and drugs. Total company 205. Sector analysis, there are 4% contribution. Healthcare sector, there is contribution of healthcare sector is 4% in the India GDP. And when you talk about the historic growth, it has grown at the rate of 22% compound CAGR, compound annual growth return it has given from 2016. And expected growth expectation is 19 to 20% CAGR. And it can reach $610 billion by 2026. Medical device market is also can grow at the rate of 15%. Telemedicine is a new place And telemedicine is also growing rapidly, and it is anticipated that it can grow at the rate of 31% from 20 to 2025. Diagnostic market is also growing, and it is expectation that it will grow at the rate of 20%. Medical tourism. Medical tourism market is expected to reach $13 billion. Now we understand the industry. The contribution of this industry in the healthcare sector is significant. And in last 10 years, it has given 10% CAGR return. And it is expectation that it will grow at the rate of 12% from 2024 to 2032. This is the introduction of company. 40 plus years of experience. Okay. And 978 plus DMF filed worldwide. What is the meaning of DMF? We understand here. DMF, D, drug, M, master, and F, file. It means drug master file. Actually, this is a document that contains detailed information about the manufacturing, processing, packaging, and storage of a pharmaceutical product. And DMF are submitted to regulatory agencies. The regulatory agency is called FDA, that is Food and Drug Administration. You can understand from this, like in the banking sector, the regulatory is RBI. In stock market, regulatory is SEBI. Same things is in drugs and pharma sector. The regulatory is FDA, Food and Drug Administration. So this is the master file, drug master file. Total 978 drug master file. It is already submitted in worldwide, in whole the world. And 100 plus API across 100 plus API. What is the meaning of API? API means active pharmaceuticals ingredients. It is ingredients actually. When you create a medicine, a capsule or tablet or drugs, any drugs, you need ingredients. And in pharma, it is called active pharmaceuticals ingredients. So the role of Neuland Lab is to make ingredients for the company, for the manufacturer of the tablet or capsule or drugs. So 100 plus API, it is already created by Neuland Lab. 78% revenue generated from exports, and it provides service in 80 plus countries. 69 active US DMF, meaning of this United States Drug Master File. When a company create a API, for one API, they need to make one document. Okay. So for different API, you need to create different master file, and you need to submit. So in United States, Neuland Lab already submitted 69 DMF. Okay. And 941 KL API manufacturing capacity. 1,695 employees working in the Neuland Lab. And this is the revenue slides. 40% revenue generated from USA, 30% from Europe, 20% from India, and 10% from rest of the world. Shareholding pattern, 33% promoters, 27% FII, 6% DII, and 34% public. This is fundamental chart slides. Market cap is 18,740 crore rupees. Stock P is 58. ROC 33%. You can understand and you can assume that if it is giving return on capital employed is 33%. So we can also expect that our money should also grow at the same rate. And when you check the average ROC 7 years is also good, 13%. And ROC 3 years is 21%. It is also more than 15%. Sales growth is 22%. Last year's sales growth is 22%. And sales growth average 7 years is 15%. It is also very good. Profit growth is also fantastic, 48%. There is no place. Current ratio is more than 1. Interest coverage ratio is 30%, 30. OPM is 29.9, 30%. It is perfect. So fundamentally, company is strong. This is the financial slides, and you can see sales is increasing year by year. Okay. Last year, you can see from 1191 to 1,559 crore sales growth. And net profit is also growing. Last year, you can see from 2023 164 to 2024 300. It is doubled. EPS is increasing rapidly. EPS is increasing because while share price is growing, so P is also increasing. This is the technical slides. You already seen there that company is in uptrend direction. Okay, so if you are not holding this share and if you want to buy, so you can buy. This is the perfect time to buy this share. And if you're already holding and if you want to add the tranche, you can add here. But you should not sell. You should not exit. You should not make. You should not make profit booking. That's all from my side. If you think you see anything valuable in my video, please like it and please share my video to all your relatives and all your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as of now, please subscribe it. Thank you so much to all of you.